Hi, I am one of the digital avatars for Dr. Strauss's Harvard course Innovating with Generative AI for Leaders and Managers, and I will be helping you learn this semester. Dr. Strauss has asked me to explain the 5 key principles on AI use that he wants us to use. Let me start with something important. AI tools are now part of everyday life, and learning to work effectively with them is a key component of this course. We're not just allowing AI use. We're actively encouraging you to explore tools like ChatGPT for all assignments. The only requirement? You must appropriately acknowledge and cite any AI use. But importantly, please remember that AI policies vary across Harvard courses. It's your responsibility to understand each course's specific expectations. Now, let's dive into the 5 principles that will guide your AI journey in this course. Principle 1: always try to use AI and always be transparent about its usage. You cannot master a tool you rarely pick up. I want you to think of AI as a standing member of your project team. Use it for everything: preparing for case discussions, drafting your daily study posts, brainstorming for your no code app project, even creating flashcards for spaced repetition learning. For example, when you're preparing for class, upload the case PDF and ask AI to quiz you on the case as if it were your study partner. Dr. Strauss will distribute a model prompt for doing this. When writing your daily posts, draft your initial thoughts, then ask AI for counterpoints before writing your final version. Document your use and be ready to explain your process to Dr. Strauss. Principle 2: own the output. You are the human in the loop. Here's a critical reality check. AI predicts plausible text. It does not guarantee truth, logic, or ethics. In professional settings, the AI told me so will never protect you from accountability. So, what should you do? First, interrogate every answer. Ask the AI to show its reasoning. Second, cross verify facts with non AI sources, especially your case materials and readings. Third, stress test by asking AI to argue against its own conclusions. Document what you accepted, rejected, or modified and why. And remember, you need to be able to answer questions in class without your computer. Cold calls require your explanation, not chat GPTs. Principle 3: give your AI a job description. Large language models are shapeshifters. Vague prompts yield generic responses, while precise role assignments unlock expert level assistance. Don't just ask AI a question, tell it who to be. Specify the role. You are a senior policy analyst. Define the tone, write in a concise, data driven style. State the exact task. Draft a 150-word executive brief. Set constraints, no more than 3 bullet points, each with a citation. Think of it as managing an infinitely flexible, patient, and super fast intern, one who needs very clear instructions to perform at their best. Principle 4: today's model is the worst you'll ever use. AI capabilities are improving at breakneck speed. What seems impossible today might be trivial next semester. So don't design your strategies around current limitations. When a task feels out of AI's reach, make a note to retry it later. Focus on building transferable skills: prompt engineering, critical evaluation, ethical judgment. These skills will be valuable with any future model. Watch for new features and imagine how they'll reshape your workflow. Build good enough solutions now and iterate as models improve, rather than waiting for perfection. Principle 5: make the machine your mentor. Learn through effortful practice. This might be the most important principle. As the course reading, Make It Stick, tells us, learning is deeper and more durable when it is effortful. Reading a case, an assigned text, or an AI generated explanation can feel like understanding, but that feeling is often an illusion of knowledge. Real mastery requires struggle, retrieval, and self explanation. AI should push you to think, not do the thinking for you. Use AI to create quizzes, but attempt each question before revealing the answer. In responding to an assigned question, draft your own outline answer first, then ask AI for critique. When AI supplies an answer, have it show its reasoning, then paraphrase that logic in your own words. If you can explain why the AI's answer makes sense, you haven't truly learned the material. Remember these non negotiables. If AI did all the heavy lifting, redo the task. Be ready to explain your reasoning in class without saying, I need to ask ChatGPT. And if an AI assisted answer is wrong, The responsibility is yours. Trace the mistake and learn from it. These principles are adapted from Ethan Mollick's excellent book Cointelligence, Living and Working with AI. And remember, this is just a summary of the course AI policy. For the full policy with additional details, please see the course page on Canvas. In closing, these principles aren't just about using AI in this course. They're about developing a relationship with AI that will serve you throughout your career. Treat AI as a powerful collaborator, a relentless coach, and a tool for amplifying your own capabilities, never as a substitute for your own thinking and learning. Welcome to the future. Let's make the most of it together.